Team Henry. Gonna come out here and do a little bit of turkey hunting today. The rain's coming, so we might not get long, but we'll just give it a go, huh? Tell them Team Henry signing out.
Team Henry signing out.
Booyah! Hear that deer? There she goes. You hear her blowing? That's a deer blowing. You guys sneeze? Cough real loud. She's not gonna blow at us no more, huh? Nope. Jumping a bunch of deer up turkey hunting. No turkeys, huh? No turkey. Just a bunch of deer. Wrong season for it though, huh? Lucky suckers. Yeah. We heard one. He was so far off. I don't want to get after him. We got, looks like rain coming in. It hit pretty hard this morning, so I think they're pulling back to them fields on private. But yeah, jumping up the deer like crazy this morning. Finding all kinds of nice late sign. It's gonna be some good deer hunting in here next year, ain't it? We found our spots for next year to deer hunt though. But all right, guys, I think we're gonna ease our way on out of here. We might stop and listen for a bird on the way out, but I think we pretty much wrapped it up for the morning, huh?
Yeah.
We're gonna get out this evening on the last day of youth hunt and give it a go. But all right, tell Team Henry signing out.
Team Henry signing out.
Later, dudes. Stop. There they go. There they go. They're all hopping the road. There's a bunch of them. You seen it? Sorry, I had to tell you to quit walking. A lot of deer. Let's ease up here and see if we can keep seeing them. Homie, we have jumped up a lot of deer this morning. Wow, that probably makes like the 30th deer we have jumped up. Whew. We have found our deer hunting spot for sure, huh? No joke. We heard one bird way off, and we shifted over. She's carrying the seed. I'm carrying her crossbow for her, and just trying to track back out. Let's ease out of here. I bet we get him on film again. And we jumped one doe up down in the bottom, and then we're still about a mile from the truck, making our way out of these mountains, and man, in every pocket we get off into on a creek bed, there's a pile of deer in it. I mean, a pile of them. See, I thought we separated that herd on that trail. I think we did. Oh, we have found our deer hunt spot, huh? Yes, we have. Ease up here and see if we can get them on video. We could very much still hear a turkey gobble this morning. And yes, The beard is gone. I shave that beard at the end of every deer season. Start of the turkey season. Kind of like a fresh new beginning. There's some deer tracks. It's never a dull day in the woods, huh? Never. We've seen more deer in one day of turkey hunting than we did half a season of hunting, huh? That's what I mean. It's never a dull moment in the woods. Plus, right now, you can get out and find them sheds. We have found a lot of old scrapes, good scrape lines that are in some really good windage spots. I'm gonna get her in here this next bow season. Definitely bow hunt this little run right through here. All right, Harley. I think they're long gone, but I see a nice buck scrape I want to get on video real quick. Come on. Yeah, we're still, I thought it was like a mile from the truck. Now we're like a mile and a half from the truck. Good old sign in here everywhere. That's what I mean. We will be back in here bow hunting, won't we? Oh yeah, starting next season, I'm gonna get her set up here on this top. Let her wind carry right back over this ridge. Let the deer come right up through here. But I'll definitely put her up in one of these trees, probably. Harley, I'm gonna say we're gonna put you right back there in that skinny oak next bow season. What do you think?
Yeah.
That way you got a little bit of cover on this cedar tree.
Yeah.
Actually, with the wind blowing in her face here, oh man, I wish that tree there had more cover. Yeah, that's gonna be your oak tree next bow season. You good with that? That way that wind will be sucking in your face right here, carrying it back behind you over the ridge. And them deer will be riding this trail with that wind in their face. And then that's the road, so they use that to tell if people are in here. And what we'll do is we'll sneak all the way around the back side of this, just like we did today. We'll get in on these deer. Well, all right, guys, exciting day out. We're gonna hook a track out of here and call it a day, huh? Tell them Team Henry signing out, dudes.
Team Henry sign out.
Later, dudes. Deer everywhere. No joke. They are everywhere. Finally made our way back out here to the truck. We had some deer waiting on us. Pretty cool, huh? You seen those real good, huh? Oh, there they go. You're crossing the road. They are everywhere. Look. Just lost as a skittle. Don't know what's going on. Matt. I wish we could see the turkeys like that.
Yeah. No turkey.
We've seen more deer. Let's be real quiet. I bet we see them again. Nah, heck with it. When we're talking is when we see them, huh? Yeah, we'll start talking. Just get relaxed. Get the videoing and stuff out of our mind. And we walk up on another herd of deer. But, alright, homies. Team Henry for the last time. Signing out, huh? We're done trying to film